Hello, let's see about online process of document update in Aadhaar. First, myaadhaar.uidi.government.in portal. And click on Document Update to upload your proof of identity and proof of address document. This service is available free of cost using Aadhaar portal till 14 June 2025. To know what to submit, how to submit, please click here. Now click here to submit. Entering Aadhaar number, captcha code, and clicking on Login with OTP. OTP will be sent on your registered mobile number. Enter OTP and click Login. Verify your details like name, date of birth, gender, address with your available proof of identity and proof of address document. If there is mismatch in any of your details, please update your demographic details. Name, date of birth, gender in the nearby Aadhaar center. For address only update, click here. Guidelines for uploading documents. Document size should be less than 2 megabits and supported file formats are JPEG, PNG, PDF. Now upload your proof of identity and proof of address document in the prescribed format. First upload your proof identity and then proof of address. Now, provide your concern and proceed to the next step. This service is free of cost till 14 June 2025. You may download acknowledgement for future reference. Hope this video is useful. Thank you.